Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove the triangle window on the side of the car. This one is glued to the body, so you're gonna need a kit like this for removing the windscreen. So you have two handles and some wire, and you're gonna put your wire through here on this gap here and start cutting using the handles. Because I don't have the wing anymore, for me it's easier to put it on the gap here, but if you have the wing it's gonna be a lot difficult. But I think it's better to put it through this gap here all around the window and put the handles after. You should put it over the rubber seal because you're gonna cut it down if you don't put it. Here on the rubber seal you should put it underneath because you're gonna cut it down if you don't put it. I have put the wire through, so now it's time to put the handles. So you slide the cable through here and through this hole here on both sides. I think it's cut. So yeah, this is how it looks. It looks like it has some clips as well on the back, which I broke them, looks like. This side, as you can see, has the clips, but still glued on the car. So even if you push it out from the clips here, you still have to cut the glue. Someone was saying that you can remove the chrome without removing the window. So are these clips here, so I'm gonna give it a try to see if I can remove it without breaking it. I think it's difficult to remove it. Either you're gonna break the glass or you're gonna bend the chrome. Has the clips here that I already cut a part of them, so should be easier. But our clips just on this side and might be bonded on the other side here. I don't think you can get them out, at least without damaging the glass or damaging the chrome. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear as well. It should be the same principle. wire broke, so I'm gonna change it. The kit came with this as well, so I'll try to feed the cable through the back of the window because it keeps on breaking. So I'm gonna put a cable through here. Try to feed it on the other side. On the inside, as you can see, are 3 clips like the front, but I'm pretty sure are more designed to hold the window in place while it's drying, so you have to cut them out. Yep. Indeed, you can remove the chrome, but as you can see, I managed to break the window. In conclusion, the rear is like the front, just need more patience.